Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. It's a special one. Kick off the great 4th of July. Make it a safe one out there. Create the perfect relationship.
Sorry about this, folks.
Create the perfect relationship between you and your body. Treat your body with all love, honor, gratitude, and respect. When you make it a goal to adore your body and accept yourself completely, you'll learn to have the perfect relationship with anyone else you are with. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 35, NASDAQ up 22, S&P's up 6. Gold contract up $21.50, traded $1,342 an ounce. Silver up $1.18. Talk about catching a bid at $19.81 an ounce. Platinum up $34 at $1,058 an ounce. Copper up 2.5 pennies at $2.22 a pound. Light sweet crude up 69 cents, $49.02 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note up 9.6, 133.08. 30-year bond up 1.246, 174.03. King dollar down 413 ticks at 95.77. You got the euro trading at $1.11, and the yen is trading at 102.58. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, we get the SPY trading up 58 cents. You have 71 million shares traded. You're at $210.05. You hit today $210.49. It would have been actually pretty cool if it got to the $210.84. What do you have out here? Okay, so volume's anemic. You're going against the swing point, and you're going against the swing point with 71 million shares versus 331. My take, the sell is right now. Now, the S&P, the SPY hasn't really failed yet, okay? Because you need a test on the $210.84, or you need to close today under $209.54. So we'll see how that lays out. Bottom line, that's your SPY. NDX 100, what do you have with the NQs? NQs, you're up 65 cents. You've done 16 million shares. We're at $108.19. This reached $108.48. This also would have been sweet if it got to $108.79, because then you would have had the test. It would have to close under the $107.61. Bottom line, my take, NDX 100, this is over here. In NDX, QQQ, SPY, they want to go back down to the lows that were generated last Monday. Gold contract, what do we have with gold? Gold contract is up $21 right now. You have about 200,000 contracts traded. We're at the number to watch for gold here. So the pit closed, and we did close under the 1340 pit closing. Bottom line, as we come into the close here, if in fact we're at 1342, with the 1342 is a crucial number. The reason being is that was the day, that was Monday after last Friday. Last Friday we went topside, and we went topside with 574,000 contracts. Monday you went topside to 1340, you did 258,000. Right now we're 194. So that's only $2 down. You know, we'll see whether this can hold that price. Because if it can hold the price, guess what? You can get right up to that high once again. You can't hold the price, that'd be saying you're going to be backing down. If you do look at the equities, the gold and silver equities, bottom line is that they need more price, they need more volume as they're going higher at this particular point. The push is on, though. There's no two ways about it. Now, silver, check this out, man. This is a trip. Silver, this is the third day in a row that it's caught a bid. Where the divergence comes in is that the silver equities, have done great. I mean, some of them up at 300 or 400%. They're not following this move here, though, which, bottom line, if you're in that market, you better be concerned about it because it makes a difference. So we just went in 2 days from $17.58 to $19.80. Now, longer term, this wants to go to 20 bucks. Bottom line, we'll see why the silver equities are not following this baby up and breaking out in a huge way. Bonds. We go over to the bond market. We take a look at bonds. This is what you have with bonds. Bond market out here today did this. So this is pretty cool how this thing shook out, folks. When you have monster volume, the first time up, particularly the type of volume that we had last Friday, you're not going to break it with volume. Bond market out here today, the 10-year, we did 1.2 million contracts. It was going into 3.1 million contracts. We made it up to 133.29. We closed at 133.08. Bottom line, it's a failure in price and volume. And in particular, it's a failure in price and volume because of the fact that it closed under just about this whole week's trading. So what I expect you're going to see with the 10-year, 10-year wants to back down again. You know, and you're going to get more information out of the back down on this 10-year because the failure is expected when you have something as high and the amount of volume that we have. You never can go up with volume and go down with it can't keep increasing. Mathematically, it's almost it's not impossible, but it might as well be. The 30-year. We take a look at the 30-year. What do we have with the 30-year? 30-year got over its high, and let's see where we are right now. This is going to get intriguing. So the 30-year, we're at 174.06. Now, the 30-year is actually over its high, okay? So the 30-year did not fail. It's been under its high during the day, but right now, guess what? It would have to close under 173.25. We're at 174.05. We've done lighter volume, but you don't close underneath that. That's saying that 30-year can go to higher price. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? Excuse me, folks. King dollar out here rejected lower price again today, had lighter volume. So the take on King dollar, we're at 95.76. King dollar looks like it still wants to run up into this 98.50. And I have no idea what's going to try to make it run up to that area. You know, if you're a bull in the dollar, you know, bottom line is that you got a little ammunition out here today. You know, my take is that, yeah, it's going to run up to there and probably fail as we get up to that level. But what we did yesterday is that yesterday you got down to 95.52. You had lighter volume, rejected it. Today we got to a lower low, lighter volume again, rejected it. That's saying that somehow, some way, King dollar wants to go higher. Then that correlation fits with the 10-year. It doesn't fit with the 30-year right now, but it fits with the 10-year, meaning bonds backing up, King dollar going higher. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials right now are up 37. NASDAQ's up 23. S&Ps are up 6. We're going to be right back.